Hi everyone, welcome to Bit Stories. Today we are unboxing Ahuja portable amplifier with a wireless handheld mic. Let's see what's inside the box. We have a user manual. Carefully read this before using the device. This device is suitable for small gatherings of 100 people or 150 people in indoor conditions, and it is a 20 watt speaker with amplifier. It is having USB SD card and Bluetooth support. Make sure you charge this before using for about 10 hours as they have mentioned in that note. This is the remote control we are getting with this device. We can control volume, navigate through tracks, and turn off the device with that. When the device is turned on, there is a red LED indication on the top along with volume control knobs. Inside the battery compartment, there is a 11.1 volt rechargeable battery and a 9 volt charging socket. This 9 volt charging socket is for the handheld mic battery. The small 9 volt battery of the handheld mic can be recharged in that socket. We have SD card, USB and aux in and out ports on the side of the device. Next, let us check out the wireless handheld mic. It works on a 9 volt battery. Here is where we put the 9 volt battery. And when turned on, there is a green indication on the amplifier that shows the mic is connected to the device. We have volume control for wireless mic and wired mic separately. Also, there is SD card, USB and Bluetooth channel along with these. Once we load the songs into the SD card or USB and connect it to the device, we have to press the USB Bluetooth on off button on the device, which will load the songs from the card or USB. If we press that one more time, it will go to the Bluetooth mode and we can connect our smartphones to this device. The record feature helps us to record whatever we say into the mic, and it will save it to the USB or SD card. Also, there is a digital echo feature which will create an echo effect, and it is really cool. This device is available on Amazon and the price is on your screen. That's all for the unboxing. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.